How to watch and save replays in Fortnite in 2026. So hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can watch and save replays in Fortnite, including how to find your replays, save them so they don't disappear, and watch them back later. Let's jump right into it. Fortnite replays are a built-in feature that automatically records your matches so you can watch them later. These aren't regular video files. Fortnite saves the match data so you can view it in-game, move the camera around, change angles, and review what happened. First, make sure replays are actually being recorded. Go to your Fortnite settings, then click on Game tab. Scroll down to the replays section and make sure record replays are turned on. If this is off, Fortnite won't keep match recordings at all. After a match ends, Fortnite stores the replay in the replay browser. From the Fortnite lobby, click the career tab at the top, then click replays at the bottom right. Here you'll see a list of recent games that have been recorded. To watch a replay, highlight it in the list, then click play. You'll be taken into an interactive replay viewer where you can play, pause, and scrub through the timeline, change camera angles, zoom in on moments you want to review. Fortnite auto stores only your recent matches, and older ones can be overwritten as you play more games. So if you want to keep a match permanently, you must save it. Highlight the replay you want, choose rename and save. Give it a name so you can find it easier later. This prevents it from being overwritten by new matches. If you're on PC, you can also open the replay folder. Fortnite stores saved replay files in a folder where you can back them up or copy them elsewhere. And that's it. Now you know how to watch and save Fortnite replays in 2026. So yes, if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which replay trick you want to learn next. And thanks for watching.